This can also go for people that feel lonely, that you would like to meet people or communicate with people from just strangers. Do well. I encourage you to either join. First thing I started hearing, um, can you show me legs? Can you show me your nude pictures? Just rubbish, like purely rubbish. So when I see calls from that particular country, I reject it ASAP. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience with the language exchange app I downloaded. Okay, so um, one of the reasons why I downloaded the app was solely because of French. I wanted more friends that speak French because at the moment I don't really have so much friends that speak French. Friends around me and family only speak English. So I said, okay, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube wasn't doing justice because you are not conversing with the person. So I wanted more conversation, real life conversation. So that led me to sign up to this particular app. So my main intention was just purely for language exchange purposes, but I did not know that it could lead to something like this. So I hope you're 18 plus watching this video. If you are not, I don't want you to be watching this or you save this for later. So the moment I joined the app, I did everything I needed to do. And one big thing about this app is one, you might decide to put your profile picture or not put your profile picture. You can choose a nickname. Additionally, your phone number is not showing there and your credentials are not popping up. So it's a safe place. Yes, I can say it's a safe place. But I think people have additionally used this as a form to just reveal their hidden version of themselves that they can't project on other social media platform that they can easily trace them, if that makes sense. So when I joined this app, the moment I joined, and it's audio enabled, right? So you can be able to speak with people from different parts of the world, right? So as a fresher in the app, when I joined, strangers started calling me. So the moment I picked like two or three calls, and the calls can last for 20 minutes, right? I think that's the time mark for the calls, 20 minutes. Strangers started calling me. This thing I started hearing, um, can you show me legs? Can you just rubbish, like purely rubbish. We're all saying rubbish. And funny enough, when you check the age, I don't know if that's also their real age, the age or the year they selected. They are just young folks out there around 18 and 18, 20, 22, and things like that. They were just saying rubbish. Can you show me, sir? Can you show me your pictures? I said, wait. And me from the onset, what was on my DP was my picture. I used my picture on DP because I felt like I'm a YouTuber. My picture is already out there, so there's nothing for me to hide. And I have a clean intention for joining this app. So I'm not joining this app for dirty talks, right? So my picture is there. People will come and say, "Is this your picture?" Yes, this is my picture. And if they say, "Send me your picture," I don't send pictures. I said, if you can't, you see my picture on the DP, right? You're not comfortable, you're not satisfied with that picture. I'm going to send you a link to my YouTube channel so you can go to my YouTube channel and feed yourself with different shades of my face. I don't send any other additional pictures. So that's how. So what it now led me to editing my bio. So I'm just going to use this to educate you. Those that have the clean mind that want to use any language exchange app for something better because you don't know what can pop up from this. You just don't know. You know, life has so many things. You don't know where you can meet great people or people you can meet. So the moment you sign up, ensure that you edit your bio. Let it be clear what you want. So just nobody just have access to you. Because me, I just wrote it. No dirty talk. I capitalized that no dirty talks. No dirty talks. And I want to have conversation with people that speak French or people that have valuable conversations aside that. And when people started calling in, I was rejecting some countries because my first 7 conversation with them showed that this particular set of people had nothing to offer. So when I see calls from that particular country, I reject it ASAP. So this can also go for people that feel lonely, that you would like to meet people or communicate with people from, just strangers, do well. I encourage you to either join language exchange app and using that, like it's beneficial. But this is also a warning to people that feel like because those apps are safe place, they are not traceable, they can come on there and project ill things, ill information. They just say rubbish, talk about porn, sex. See, you will be caught. Not really necessarily caught, but don't think because the app is so called safe that you are just disturbing your mental health. I don't know what pleasure people derive from things like that, talking about sex, texting and things like that. No. But if you have clean mind, you want to people meet people from different part of the world, I'll encourage you join language exchange app. Or if at the moment you need husband or you need see, I'll be truthful with you. I wasn't there for maybe needing a boyfriend. No, I was purely there because of language. But joining and answer, oh wow, this has a lot of potential. So why not? As a YouTuber, I'll have to bring it here, right? For record purpose. So if you feel you are lonely or you want to meet people or you're tired of people from your own country, just want to hear other people's voice and you have the time. Because me, I don't have time. Ensure you time yourself and you stay focused. Don't just go there and waste your time just talking to people. No. Ensure you maybe just do it in your own leisure time or your own free time. Like, okay, I think I have like 20 minutes. You can talk to like maybe two people for 5 minutes and different part of the world. But one thing I love about this app is that the country they show there, it will show you the country where the person is calling you from. That and that location is real. So this particular video is for those of you that 18 plus and above. Ensure you are not online or in any platform that is hidden or you feel is a safe platform doing something that you can't do in real life or something you can't project in physical sense or not necessarily or something you can't project when people see you one on one. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't. I hope you found this video helpful. Additionally, if you would like to learn French in 3 months, please do to use the link in the description box. And also, there are also links for you to buy courses, virtual assistant course that can also keep you busy. Only use those kind of app for purposefully, maybe for language learning, or maybe those that are looking for husband or looking for wife or anything. But just be careful there. And that's me saying this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.